Minister Pakistan Imran Khan will inaugurate country strategy dialogue on Pakistan today. UN chief expresses concern over situation in Ethiopia Tigray region. In Afghanistan, at least 17 people were killed and over 50 others wounded in two explosions. Security forces killed 23 Boko Haram militants in Nigeria. Abu Dhabi Crown Prince and Israeli PM nominated for 2021 Nobel Peace Prize. In Syria, 8 people were killed in two explosions in northern region of the country. The United Kingdom has pledged £155 million aid to support peace and stability in Afghanistan. India has registered 44,376 new confirmed coronavirus cases in the past 24 hours.